How to check if strings are equal, ignoring the case in Python. Take a string value in variable x. Take a string value in variable y. To check if these two strings are equal, ignoring the case, convert both of them to either lowercase or uppercase, and then use equal to comparison operator. Convert the given string values to their lowercase using string lower method. Compare the lowercase values of x and y using the equal to comparison operator. The equal to comparison operator returns true if the two values are equal or false otherwise. You can use this expression as a condition in an if-else statement. Inside the if block, you can write code for when the two strings are equal, ignoring the case. Inside the else block, you can write code for when the two strings are not equal, ignoring the case. Run the program. Since the values are equal, ignoring the case if block is executed. Now, change the values in x and y such that they are not equal, ignoring the case. Run the program. Since the values are not equal, ignoring the case, else block is executed. This is how we check if two strings are equal, ignoring the case in Python. In summary, we have used the string lower method and equal to comparison operator to check if two strings are equal, ignoring the case. Thank you for watching Python courses by Coder Being. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel.